Welcome to my video. I got tired of having to switch between my reading glasses and my safety glasses, so I decided to fix the problem. I had an old pair of reading glasses and an old pair of safety glasses and wanted to see if I could combine the two. I made sure to clean both really good, since once they were joined it would be impossible to clean between them. The reading glass lens fits pretty good in safety glasses. I don't see a problem because both are made of plastic, and if something should hit the lens, it can't shatter and get glass in my eyes. I'm using a clear silicone adhesive to bond the lenses. To apply the silicone, I am using the pointy end of a zip tie. I had to be careful not to put too much in or it would get all over the lenses, which was a bit difficult. A quick test and it seems to work pretty well. Thanks for watching.